In the early days of Hot Wheels, the Mattel designers actually got to name their cars. Well, if it was a fantasy car anyways. Let's take a look at Bad Ratitude. Nowadays, the marketing department, I believe they name the cars. I think they take suggestions from the designers. So you got Bad Ratitude. Let's have a little wordplay. There you got At-A-Tude. That was from a Yu-Gi-Oh! 2-pack. So you got Bad Ratitude, you got At-A-Tude, and then of course in the AcceleRacers for Highway 30, AcceleRacers, Metal Maniacs, you had the Rat-ified. Love those co-mold wheels. Rat-ified is also in the 2013 lineup. Here you got this nice gold chrome version right here. So if you didn't get the Metal Maniacs version, maybe you can look for this one and pretend you got yourself your own AcceleRacers version. This was the very first appearance of the Rat-ified. It was in the AcceleRacers lineup. It was never a new model, never a first edition. Bad Ratitude. Let's get back to Bad Ratitude. Let's crack them open. Pretty neat. He's got whiskers. Check him out. It's like he's a rat. Kind of hard to see. It's a little dark. But he's got whiskers. Let's do a top-down view. Got a nice deco on top. Look how the whiskers stick out like that. Pretty cool. A little dark. I got as much light as I can. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit, it'll help me see a little better. No window. It goes clear straight through. I believe no window. Yeah, it goes clear straight through. No window in the back. Kind of neat. It's got a flat head. Pretty awesome. Check out the front. The base, plastic base. This one's FO8. So this one's appearing in like the L cases, I believe. You'll start seeing it pretty soon. So there you got the Bad Ratitude. That's not the only rat car coming back to the lineup. Is the Ratmobile. Yeah, it's kind of fun to see him coming back. You got Ratitude. You got the Brat. Wait, let me check. Is this a plastic body? Yep. Feels pretty heavy, but I think it's a plastic body. There you go. Ratmobile. Ratitude. Not to be confused with the Batmobile. This one's pretty awesome. Keep your eyes open. There's a look at a couple little critters from the Hot Wheels lineup. Happy collecting. Bye bye.